Did you know that sometimes as the sun sets in a certain way, a rare celestial wonder appears? It's called a solar parhelion. As the sun descends, two luminous spots, known as sundogs, materialize on either side of it, creating a captivating display. These sundogs result from sunlight passing through ice crystals in Earth's atmosphere, refracting light into stunning colors. While relatively rare, you can spot them in colder regions. Have you ever had the chance to witness this remarkable natural phenomenon?